So I'm here today with a 2011 Chevy Caprice. It has the 6.0 in it, pretty much police interceptor setup. It has a set of long tube headers on it and an air intake. Just doing a basic tune to it, and we're going to see what kind of power numbers we put out. This car was in here for our dyno day, and it made 338 horsepower as it sat with just the air intake on it. And then he did the headers after our dyno day, and it's going to have the tune now. So we'll see what kind of increase we have with just the headers on it, and then I'm also going to do some runs after, obviously, we do the tune and see what kind of power increase we have with the tune to it. So just sit back and relax. Alright, so closing up here with the Caprice, it made 346 horsepower and 373 foot-pounds of torque with just the headers untuned. Once I tuned it, it made 365 horsepower and 396 foot-pounds of torque. Pretty impressive numbers for just the basic 6.0 in a Caprice with automatic trans behind it.